Hey guys, this is a little bit different of a video, but I thought I'd tell you why I'm returning the M1 Mac Mini. I bought the M1 Mac Mini, the base unit, for the cheapest price, whatever it was, $700, with 8 gigabytes. I am mailing it out tomorrow. Some of the positivities of the M1 chip is how fast you drag and click and open a bunch of files. It opens really quick. I like the help search bar, but that's just a general Apple thing. I didn't like the dongles and the lack of ports. If you looked at my other videos, you may assume, oh, it's because I hate Apple, which wouldn't be true. My first computer was like a 2008 or 2009 MacBook Pro 15-inch, top of the line that you could get, and I actually learned how to edit on Final Cut. That was my go-to editing software. So this clip here is just one of the issues I experienced. Problems with rendering throughout school. Sometimes I had to use Adobe, and I absolutely hated using Adobe. I really don't like the workflow, but you can do a lot more on it. My MacBook finally couldn't keep up with editing videos, and it fried. And I bought a 2007 iMac from the thrift store for like $200. It was like a 20-inch or whatever, 21-inch iMac. And I used that and struggled through editing where I couldn't even see what I was editing. The frames were skipping. And then from there, that computer died, and my friend sent me an Acer Predator desktop computer. He sent it to me in the mail, and it was really nice of him. And I used it, and I tried to edit on, Premiere. I tried DaVinci Resolve. I tried Lightworks. I tried every single other program, but in my mind, I was like, Final Cut Pro is the best for editing. I sent that computer back to him, and I bought myself a 12-inch MacBook Pro non-touch bar, and the thing died. That's the one that I sticker bombed in the video. You guys saw it. It overheated just after the warranty was over. So after that, I was like, oh my goodness, I don't want to spend it on Apple. So I ended up getting a Razer 15-inch Mercury Edition. Had some issues with the drivers and the graphics card. I sent it back because it wasn't working. When I was out of town, I bought myself Lenovo, and I ended up selling that on eBay. And finally, I bought a pre-built iBuyPower from Best Buy. And I installed an M.2 memory in it, and the thing ran super fast. Basically, for the last couple of years, been using Premiere. So I switched back to the M1 Apple, and I liked editing on Final Cut. There's been some pros, there's been some cons between the two of them, but I really like Final Cut. But the M1 is not as great as they say. It's good. Yeah, it's good for a $700 computer, but it's not great. And maybe that's because I'm comparing it to something that had 32 gigabytes of RAM, and I was running a 2080 Super. So I was finding that all these YouTube reviewers are saying, oh my goodness, this thing's amazing. It plays footage, 4K footage, this, that, no stuttering, nothing. And I'm just running old 1080p footage with 2-minute, you know how long my videos are. They're like 2 minutes long, and I'm having stuttering issues. And it boots up. It's not instant. Like my PC is instant. So right now, I'm returning it. I'm going to wait and see what chips are developed and what they're going to pair what graphics cards with. I'm assuming AMD. But yeah, so this is just my thoughts. I thought I would just tell you guys and update you, because I said I was going to update you in the other video. This is why I am returning the Apple M1 Mini. Hopefully the new M1X or whatever is better for me. Thanks for watching, guys, and I make vlogs, random videos, so subscribe, follow, comment below. See you guys later.